Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have my very first proper summer luxury unboxing for you. I picked up a few really beautiful pieces that I'm dying to show you. I bought a new pair of shoes, a lot of Pucci, I'm getting summer ready, holiday ready, and also I picked up some new fine jewellery that I have to show you. It is so stunning, so if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, I think I'm going to start with the most special piece, my beautiful fine jewellery edition. And this one is extremely special because I have been considering getting this for over a month and I finally decided on the right color and gemstone and shape of the stone. Like, the presentation is absolutely beautiful. This is what I expect when I buy fine jewelry pieces, luxury pieces. And we have the piece that I got, and inside the box even lights up. This is the Prong-Set Oval Morganite Solitaire Bypass Ring from Angara, and I chose it in 14 karat rose gold with their best gemstone quality option, and you can really tell the difference when the light hits it. I really love how elegant and feminine the bypass design feels. Instead of a traditional straight band, it curves around the center stone, which makes it look so much more modern and unique. Plus, this peachy pink morganite paired with the rose gold gives it this warm, dreamy, almost vintage inspired vibe that feels luxurious without being overly flashy. Honestly, this is one of the prettiest pieces I have added to my collection recently, and I cannot wait to wear it. Actually, I can wear it on different fingers, and because of the curved design, I can also stack it with my other jewelry pieces. It is so dainty. What also really stood out to me is the craftsmanship. Angara handcraft all their fine jewelry pieces, all their made-to-order pieces. The stones are also hand set, so everything feels very secure, very comfortable. And something I genuinely love is how customizable everything is on their website. You can choose different gemstone qualities, carat sizes, and even switch between white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, or platinum depending on your style and budget. Their whole shopping experience is super easy to navigate, and because Angara handles everything in-house from sourcing to manufacturing, they're able to offer really high quality fine jewelry at much better value compared to traditional retailers. Plus, each piece comes with lifetime warranty and certificate of authenticity. They do have a very quick and free shipping, easy free returns, and also you do get a little gift, a jewelry gift, if you use my code Maria, plus 12% discount, which was so lovely of Angara to provide for my audience. Alright, moving on with Chloe and my very first purchase from the brand. Actually, I've never bought anything from Chloe, so I briefly showed you this in my recent shopping vlog, which I will also make sure to link above. I did a quick unboxing, but I know some people prefer to just watch sit-down unboxings, so I wanted to do a proper unboxing in today's video as well and show you what I picked up. So in here is the hottest pair of shoes at the moment, okay? These are going viral. They're selling out super quick, and it is these absolutely gorgeous Chloe Jelly Mules. Oh my god, do they not give Cinderella vibes? Barbie Cinderella vibes. They do come in different colors, and initially I thought I would pick up the blue because the blue do give Cinderella glass shoe vibes. I will insert a picture, or actually I will insert a clip so you can see when I tried them on. So initially they actually got released in 3 colors, the blue, the yellow, and also black/grey. And I thought, okay, that's it, I'm gonna get the baby blue. I was set on the blue until they dropped this color. This is the newest color. It is in this milky pink, milkshake pink, and I thought this was the color that I would probably wear the most, because I looked at my wardrobe, I looked at all my summer dresses, the prints, the floral prints, all my bags, and I was like, yeah, as much as I love the baby blue, I really think I would struggle styling them. Whereas the pink, because it's such a light baby pink, it is a bit more neutral and it will go with a lot more. So really I love all the colors. I would love to get all the colors. Honestly, they're so good, they're so much fun, and they look so juicy because they're jelly sandals. Also, the heel height is very comfortable. It's slightly curved, as you can see. So very comfortable, especially for the summer months. I don't like wearing very high heels. And yeah, they look so flattering on. I'm gonna show you how I style them. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Let me know which color is your favorite. I'm still seriously considering the blue because, as I said, they give me Cinderella glass shoe vibes, and I don't know, do I need them in baby blue? Which color would you pick? I don't know, let's see if I'll end up picking more of these, but yeah, honestly, they're so good. Oh, and also, did you see the shoes match my new Morganite ring? The perfect combo, right? It is going to be a Pucci summer for me. It's always either a Pucci or a Missoni summer, okay? But Pucci, in my opinion, is definitely killing it with all the beautiful colors and prints. So let me show you what I picked up. Again, in a shopping vlog recently, I showed you this. I tried it on, however they didn't have my size in store, so I had to order it online. I picked up this beautiful lilac swimsuit. So this is kind of a halter neck style, and at first I fell in love with the color, okay? This lilac is so beautiful, it's so soft, and I feel that I really suit colors like this, like soft, very pale lilacs, because of my complexion. I did try on a beautiful blue, and actually many of you in the comments preferred the blue one I tried on, so that's still kind of on my wish list, but I really wanted this color because this is my very first Pucci swimwear. I wanted to test it out, see how I like it, and yeah, I'm definitely going to wear this on my upcoming holiday, which is actually coming up very soon now in June. And then also I picked up something else to go with my new swimsuit, and it is the matching sarong. I really wanted to get this sarong because it is very large scarf and you can wrap it around in so many different ways. There are so many different, very genius actually, ways to wear a sarong. You can not only wear it around your waist, tied like a skirt, but you can wear it as a dress. There are different ways to tie it to create different looks. Also, you can wear it as a top in so many different ways. Honestly, you can create so many different looks with just this scarf and wear it as a top, as a halter neck top, off the shoulder, like a little triangle scarf. So yeah, actually something like this is such a versatile piece, and it was actually a really good price. I think it was under £300, so it was quite affordable. You still get the iconic Pucci print. They have this sarong in so many different colorways. They also have it in the beautiful blue, so you can be matchy-matchy. I like to be matchy-matchy, and these two look so beautiful together. Next, I have hands down one of the most beautiful pieces that I have bought recently. It is a ready-to-wear piece, and it is again from Pucci. And because I am so matchy obsessed, I hunted down this very popular piece, this maxi skirt. Again, this colorway is from last year, so this was so difficult to hunt down in my size because it was almost sold out everywhere. And I saw it was available only on one website. They had it, I think, only in 2 sizes left, and I was like, I cannot believe my luck. It was only one left in stock. I bought it and then it got sold out, like all the sizes got sold out. These maxi skirts from Pucci always sell out so quick. They look so flattering on. I don't know if you remember, again, in a recent shopping vlog, I think it was my birthday shopping vlog actually, which again I will link above, I tried on maxi skirt from Pucci in one of the new season colors, but it wasn't really my color. I thought the color was very close to my skin tone and it was kind of washing me out. So I hunted down my perfect color, which was the lilac. Last year they also released a beautiful baby pink and a turquoise, but they are completely sold out, unfortunately. I would have loved to get those as well. I would love to get this maxi skirt in every beautiful pastel color because it is so flattering on, okay? I can wear it with the swimsuit as a bodysuit, and I can also wear it with the sarong. That's why I really wanted to get the lilac, so this way I have a matching set. I can wear it with the sarong, and I can wrap the sarong, as I said, in so many different ways as a top. Now, something that I regret not picking up is also the long sleeve cotton matching shirt. I will insert a picture here. I was really contemplating, should I get it, should I not get it? And at the end I decided not to, because I was like, okay, this is a long sleeve shirt. I'm going to wear this skirt in summer. It will be really hot, so I wouldn't really opt for a long sleeve shirt, right? So I was like, no, I'll just wear this with the sarong or the swimsuit as a bodysuit, or even a plain white t-shirt, plain white vest top, silk vest top. So I decided not to get the matching shirt. Later on I kind of regretted it because I do like the whole look, but yeah, it got sold out. So the shirt is gone. I cannot find it anymore in my size. Do I regret not getting it? A little bit, but at the same time I have so many options to wear this skirt with other tops, so I'm glad I picked up the skirt. I think it is so stunning. It feels very princessy, so flowy, it's maxi length, and I love it. Next, I also wanted to show you what I picked up from Missoni, because I did buy something from Missoni that I showed you again in a favorites video recently, but because this is a summer haul with all my recent summer purchases, I wanted to quickly include it in today's video as well, in case you've missed my favorites video. I will insert a clip of the beautiful Missoni dress that I picked up. I think it's so much fun. It is so colorful. It just makes me happy. The colors, the fringe. Also, I've seen from many other brands this type of fringing on dresses, skirts, even swimwear, resort wear is very on trend right now. This dress will be also ideal for a beach club, and because of the print, because of the pattern, it is not that see-through. I can just wear it with a swimsuit underneath or with a little slip. Even in London, out in London, I can definitely rock it with a little nude slip underneath. So I thought the piece was so versatile. I already wore it actually a couple of days ago because it's been so hot here in the UK. We went down to Brighton. It was a beautiful beach day out in Brighton. We had a lot of ice cream and I wore the dress, so I'll just insert a picture. But yeah, again, I wanted to quickly show you what I picked up from Missoni as well in today's haul. Let me know if you are a Missoni or a Pucci girl in the comments. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed my very first summer luxury haul. Let me know which piece was your favorite. I will make sure to link everything down below. I will make sure to leave all the discount codes that I have for the jewelry piece that I got, and also everything, yeah, the clothes, everything. You can find shopping links in the description box. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!